If you are a person who is getting jealous of someone, or that certain someone is getting jealous of you, then this video is for you. Keep watching. Hello, my name is Preeti and this is my YouTube channel, Mind Speaks Here. This YouTube video topic is all about jealousy, hate. Let's just all admit and accept that we all get jealous of someone. It is a part of human nature. This is our emotion. It is a part of human process. But it should be in a certain limit. I mean, you are getting jealous of someone's beauty, you are getting jealous of someone's progress in life, the job, the salary package, whatsoever not. But it should have some certain limits. Exceeding that limit is harmful. I cannot tell you to just right away stop and not do so because this is our human nature. We cannot stop that immediately and fully. It's okay, but we can turn that emotion into our motivation or into our own benefit. I mean, if you are getting jealous of someone's progress, I would suggest you start copying them, learn from them, start taking a motivation from them. Whatever they are doing, keep on asking them how they did it, when they did it, did they fail at any given point of time. Learn all right and wrong from them. You crossing your hand, rolling your eyes, and judging them will not help at all. You are just playing the role of that auntie who is just not so happy with her life. I will suggest keep on asking all the silly questions from them. Learn each and everything. If they are doing the serious mistake, also learn that mistake. Try to absorb all the good and bad whatever they are doing. Why can't you just also do that? At least try. One day you will realize that you have opened the doors for a lot of opportunities. You have learned a lot of things in life. You have improved so far. Nowadays people genuinely feel good if someone approach them and ask them about the serious thing about their achievements and stuff. They feel good, even they put their own efforts to help you out in those kind of things, so they also feel nice. पूछने में कुछ नहीं जाता, and we have to keep on asking them. If you do not want to find a motivation from them, it's fine. Block them. Remove them from your life. Do not make them as your distraction because you have a lot of things to achieve, you have a lot of things to complete, you have your own responsibilities, your own targets to achieve. Do that. Do not make them as a excuse to ruin your life, to ruin your mood, to ruin your day. Honestly, you do not have time to think about someone else's lifestyle, someone else's progress. Okay, you have your own problems, you have your own responsibilities to take care of. Any given point of time, if any third person is coming and talking about that person, cut that person and straight away say, hey, you know what? I do not want to talk about any third person in this conversation. If you want to have a healthy conversation, please let me know. Otherwise, I will walk off. It's as simple as that. You have to protect your own mental peace. Nobody is coming to rescue you. Nobody is coming to save you. Understand this. It goes other way as well. If you are a person who feel like, okay, that person or certain someone is not comfortable with me, do not like me, or just spreading hate, or just talking bad about me, it's fine. Remove them, block them. They are making fun of you in front of 10 other people and thinking that it is fine, it is a joke, nothing happens. Remove them. Do not entertain them at all. Once you reach home, block them. Because honestly, you do not need any backstabbers in your life. You have to make progress in life, and that is very, very important. You have to take care of your family, you have to take care of yourself. You have to take the initiative to block people who are not so good for you. Blocking and removing people from your life is very, very important, because you will meet people who will make fun of you and who will just try to be a superior person than you in front of the whole people and thinking it is fine. Genuine people do not do this. People do not pull you down to make them superior. And honestly, we all know who are a black sheep in our life, and we just tend to ignore them. We just tend to think, okay, क्या ही बिगाड़ लेंगे, हमारा butt डाल दें. You will never get to know when they will stab a knife in your back. So you better start cutting them off. and we have to start normalizing cutting negative people, bad people, who is just good for nothing. We have to start normalizing removing those people from our life. And I am not spreading hate at all in this video. All I am saying that let's start prioritizing ourselves. Let's start taking care of our own mental health, our own self, our own progress, because we are our own warriors. Okay, we all have our own fights. We all have our own struggles. Okay, if we will keep on thinking about a third person, a third party, or our past, we will not be able to grow in the future. Jealousy is equal to negativity. So jealousy is bringing negativity in your life. Either you are getting jealous, you are spreading the negativity. If someone else is jealous of you, they are bringing that negative energy in you. You have to cut that off. Okay, you do not have to entertain all the negative sources. That jealousy is a kind of negative source in our life. If you are entertaining that, you are bringing the negativity, you are bringing that sorrowness in your life. We all have our own problems, we all have our own responsibilities, so let's just not compare each other. By ending this video, all I want to say is it's fine if you are still struggling and someone has already achieved their goals. We all take our own time, we all take our own little steps to achieve something. It is fine, but that doesn't mean that you have to be a black sheep in someone's life. Do not do that. Take your own time, do it. One day you will do it. There is no such person who never achieved their things which they genuine wanted. If they have worked hard for it, they will get it. If you want that thing which other have, start working on them. Do not cry about it. Do not judge someone else. Do not spread hate. You want that? Go get it. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you.